In this video, we're going to look at how to use the absolute value function in Microsoft Excel. Alright, here I am in Excel for Office 365, but if you have Excel 2016 or later, it should be pretty similar while using this function. So the function we're looking at is the absolute value function, and it looks like this, ABS. So once you start typing it in, you can actually click this, and our open parenthesis came up. So any number value that you put in this parentheses in this formula, after you add this function to it, it should be a positive number. So let's test it out. So if I put a -9 in there, it ends up being 9. But if I put a positive number in there, you know, it's still going to remain positive. Another way that you could add this function in is by coming over to formulas under, let's see if I can get this to come up. Yeah, under math and trig, select ABS, and as you can see, I'm already selected in the cell. For some reason, this range is coming up already. But let's just say we want the absolute value of F. I don't have a value in there yet, so it's 0 because I don't have anything in there. But if I put -68 or -58, it's going to come up with a positive 58. So you don't only have to use one number. You could have a, let me come up with a, let's go 58 times negative, that would be -58. We'll divide that by 8. And we'll times this by 366. So since we have a negative in there, which comes from the F1, this is going to end up being a negative number. So if you have an equation and you need it to be an absolute number, you can really just put this function right in front of this whole equation that was made out. Oh, yeah, I gotta have another parenthesis. We count. Oh, so, well, yeah. Well, I mean, I took the absolute value of just this multiplication, but you get the point. You can use this in any equation, doesn't matter how long it is. And that's about it. That's all I have for the absolute value function. Alright, this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, go ahead and make one. And I'm going to be leaving, if I have any resources related to this topic, I'll leave some links in the description. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.